In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a compelling YouTube thumbnail using CapCut, a fantastic online video editing tool. Creating an eye-catching thumbnail is crucial as it can help attract viewers and increase clicks on your content. We will walk through a series of steps to make this process easy and efficient, even if you're new to graphic design. First, let's dive into CapCut's website. Open your web browser and head over to www.capcut.com. This platform is packed with a wide array of design tools and templates, making it perfect for creating your thumbnail. Once you're there, you'll see a welcome screen. Simply hit the Start button to begin. This will lead you into the CapCut editor where all the magic happens. Once you're in, you'll encounter a range of options. For our purpose today, we need to select Image. This choice is key as it allows us to work specifically with still visuals, which is what a thumbnail essentially is. After choosing Image, navigate to the YouTube thumbnail option. This is another crucial step as it automatically sets the canvas to the optimal resolution for YouTube, ensuring your thumbnail looks crisp and clear. Now that you've set up your canvas, you'll want to incorporate your own media. Click on Upload to bring in your images or graphics that you want to feature in the thumbnail. This could be a portrait, a logo, or any other element relevant to your video's content. After uploading, select your project. Here, you can adjust the size of your images to perfectly fit the canvas. This flexibility is great, as it allows you to emphasize key visual elements that will catch the viewer's eye. Next, head over to the Design section. This part of CapCut is where you'll find a variety of themes and templates to elevate your thumbnail. Take your time to explore and choose the theme that best suits the tone of your video. Once you've selected your theme, it's time to add some text. Click Add Text and start personalizing your thumbnail. Your text should be clear and concise, conveying the essence of your video. After you've added your text, choose a font that matches your video's style and adjust it to enhance readability. The last touch involves pasting your specific text content and modifying it as needed. It's essential to ensure that the text stands out against the background, so adjust the size, position, and color to make it eye-catching. And there you have it, your very own custom YouTube thumbnail created with CapCut. With consistent practice, you'll be creating compelling thumbnails that boost your viewership in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.